What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody is doing good. So today we're gonna fry some red snapper. You see it? Yeah. How much? Fry 4 red snapper. So let's go and season them now. Yeah. Not gonna put too much seasoning in them. Just gonna lighten season them now. Light. And so these I was supposed to cook today. I was supposed to cook these today on the food truck, but boy, some of them may I fry up today because food truck get cancelled. Yeah, man. You guys, so right now we have them seasoned. We're ready to go. Right? Well seasoned. Ready to go. Guys, also remember to like, share and subscribe, right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is how we're looking. So guys, I think I might need some new non-stick pots or frying pan because these are ready, but find out that the oil was hot, man. Yeah, everything was just the way you do it. You know, hot oil and all of that, but for some reason sticking going. So before I put these in it, I'm gonna make the oil come back up to 10 because as you can see, I'm only using this 2 burner here. Yeah, with some propane. So let's see how the couple others turn out there. I think I might be able to test the product. Ooh. Real good. Real good. It's not dry. Alright, enough for the eating. I think I might need this. No breakfast for morning, so think I might need this. It's try real nice, not gonna lie. But only thing I find is the pot. I don't know why it's sticking. Maybe it's get older, I don't know. Maybe it's old now and stuff like that, so. Real good, man. You can taste the seasoning in that. I said I was gonna brown stew some of them, maybe 2 of them, but trust me, you don't need no brown stew right now. Just like this. Just like this. Real good. I mean, these are not so bad. These didn't stick, but the first one stick. Almost finished with this one. Still going with some hot sauce, you know. One love, man. Tastes good enough. Tastes real good. You know the fish fry good when you can eat the bone. Yeah. For the head. Trust me. That's how you know when a fish fry good. When you can char the bone and it not, you know, juke in your mouth or anything like that, yeah. Good. Guys, don't remember, guess what? I have to have a little champagne, you know. Don't you know, but that's how you know when the fish fry good. Guys, remember to subscribe. Sending blessings on this Sunday. Yeah. Want to see what's up? There. Done. Everything. Respect. Yeah guys, so if you take the time out and watch my video, I want to say give thanks, right? Blessings to each and every one of you. But if you know you want to see me cook something different like oxtail, curry goat, jerk chicken, the whole works, man. Just, you know, just leave a comment and I'll work on that, because you don't know